One of the things that makes Liberty special is our relationship with our distributed and alliance partners. As a residential installer, you have access to dozens of brands, all from one source. Access to brands like Celerity, Ineos, Cosemi for fiber optic products. Access to Chief Mounts, Atlona products, Panduit. And we've got our alliance partners that we develop products with, including Clearline, Teleportivity, Naveo, and Colorbeam. One of the things that's really special about this year is our expanded lineup of installation supplies. Anything you could possibly need for a residential install, you can now buy from Liberty AV, one source. Electrical tape, Velcro, safety equipment, fasteners, Milwaukee tools, hand tools, booties, anything you could possibly need to get a job done, you can now get done from one source. And what's really cool about all this is it's available through our consigned inventory program called LIS, or Liberty Inventory Services. So imagine all of these installation supplies are provided by us up front. You don't pay for them until you use them. All set with min-max levels, you're never out of the things that you need. No more expensive trips to the hardware store. Your team always has the tools that they need to get the job done. Also new is our expanded lineup of fiber optic products. Liberty AV has always been known for selling bulk fiber. It's our expertise. We've been experts in fiber for many years within AV. But what's new now is our expanded lineup, including everything you could possibly need for a fiber optic install in AV. Couplers, wall plates, junction boxes, adapters, tools and equipment. Everything you need to get a job done with fiber optic in AV you can get from one source. Liberty AV is truly a one-stop shop for fiber within AV. And what's more important than the equipment and the supplies is the expertise. Liberty AV offers an unparalleled level of expertise for deploying fiber in AV. Questions about OM3, OM4, single mode, multi-mode, LC, SC, come to us. We'll make sure your fiber optic system works properly. And now from Liberty AV, the much anticipated launch of Run AV. This is our new value engineered product line. This is a product line that's competitively priced, but it's very high quality. This is ideal for the residential market. All of the SKUs are UL certified and come in the boxes that residential installers like.